Hello and welcome back to Morning Math with the Gallagher's. No, I'm probably going to be on every single episode in the morning.
Yep, he likes helping me out, don't you?
Yep.
All right.
Today we are going to be playing a game called Albert's
Insomnia.
Insomnia.
Yeah, this is another card game that you can play at home.
Yep.
It does have a special deck of cards, but I don't see why you couldn't play with a regular deck of cards. And then I'll show you a couple places
You just
at
have
the
to
end
know the numbers.
where
Yeah.
I'll show you a couple places at the end where you can play some free games online. Okay, so I'm going to read you the rules first, and this is the deck of cards. It does say Albert's Insomnia on it. And that is Albert Einstein. And so Albert's Insomnia was basically, and there's a storybook that goes along with it, which I do not own. But I think it was basically just like he's trying to count sheep to go to sleep, and he sees a bunch of numbers, and he's trying to get the numbers to equal something. And so the rules of the game are deal out 4 cards.
Right.
And yeah, we're gonna switch. Yeah, you know how to switch it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it says deal out 4 cards, 2 of which have yellow backs, for all players to see. Click on done. Oh, what did that?
That's what I normally do.
Use the hand dealt for everyone. The first player creates any math operation that equals 1. And then the next player creates any math operation that equals 2. And then you just go on and on and on.
Until you can't make any more numbers.
Until you can't make any more numbers. But you do want to try to go in order. So the first one you want to do is you want to try to make the number 1. So we have the numbers 8, 4, 3, and 10. And you are allowed to use any math operation you want. You can use adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. If you know how to use exponents, you can use exponents. Grayson knows. What's the first one?
So 8 minus 10 would equal -2. Plus 4 would equal, that's 2.
Oh.
But plus 3 would equal 1.
All right. So Grayson's equation is...
I'm only at 3rd grade and I know negatives.
8 minus 10 is -2. And -2 plus 3 is +1.
From
and
this awesome teacher, I know negatives.
Oh, thanks, buddy. So that's our number 1. And I was actually thinking of a different one for number 1. Do you want to hear mine?
Sure.
Mine was 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1.
Oh, yeah.
But now I have to do 2. Now, you don't have to use all of the cards. You can use as many cards as you want to.
That's an easy way for 2.
Well, it's my turn to go, because you did 1. So for my turn for 2, I'm going to just do 8 divided by 4 is 2. Is that okay?
Yeah. Or you could have done 8 minus 2. Oh, no. Never mind. No.
Okay, so now it's your turn for 3. And now for 3, you don't have to use all the cards. You can
just
use 1.
This.
Yeah, you can just say, look, there's a number 3. And I can say, look, there's a number 4.
I think I'm fine.
Okay.
I think I'm trying to make a math equation to equal 3.
And so while he's thinking of his math equation to equal 3, I'll just tell you that for this game, you start at 1 and you go up. You count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the game is over when you figured out the biggest number that you can make. You can play this on your own. You can play it with a friend. You can set up a video chat like this and play with somebody else.
Yep.
And then there's also some online that you can do. So are you still thinking of that number 3, or can I switch? Can I switch to show them what's online?
I want to still think of the number 3.
Okay, so I'm going to have you scoop while you're thinking, and I'm going to show them what's available to them online. Okay.
Okay. I don't want to just do it the easy way.
Yeah.
I want to give myself a challenge.
Good to challenge yourself.
What?
Nothing. Okay, so while he's challenging himself, I'm going to show you some places where I found this online. So first of all, if you... Oh, I got to present my screen. All right. So first of all, if you want to purchase the deck of cards, again, I'm not really sure what is in the deck of cards, but if you want to purchase the deck of cards, you can go to albertsinsomnia.com, and they have, you don't want a classroom set, but a homeschool set might be just like a deck of cards. And they also have the storybook that goes along with it. And they have, it looks like they have an app for your phone. That one's also money though. So, but it looks like you can download the app and then you can play it that way. I've also found them on Twitter. So Albert's Insomnia on Twitter. And sometimes on Twitter, they will post a problem. So like here, they posted a problem. They had the numbers 9, 3, 2, and 4. And then underneath, it's just a stream of everybody trying to find the different numbers. And so it's a lot of Albert's Insomnia. But then there's other people that joined in and played. So this is another place where you can just kind of search online and see what you can find. And then I am going to post one on my Twitter feed today. So if you want to play along with me, I'll put out new numbers, so not the numbers that we had on the video. And my Twitter handle again is MathyNerd. So if you want to play along with me, I'll have a new one posted for you. I'll post it around 9 o'clock. I'll post it. And so if you guys want to play along, you can. And again, you're just trying to find any math equation using any amount of cards. You can use adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. You can use exponents if you want to make one of the numbers into an exponent. And for my Algebra 2 students, you are also allowed to use factorials. So if you want to use factorials, you can do that too.
I can't find any.
Oh, that's okay. So it's okay if you can't do an equation. Again, you're allowed to just say, hey, look, there's the number.
And so do you think you can find any?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't really tried. Maybe after we turn off the video, I'm going to try, okay?
Sure. So I'll just pick 3. Then you can just pick 4.
And I'll pick 4. And then we're going to keep playing. So if you guys want to play with us, join me on Twitter today.
Ooh, 8 minus 3.
I think that's going to be it for today's video. And Grayson and I are going to keep playing because he seems to be having a good time. But for right now, we're going to say...
Bye. Bye.